This section is looking at the composition of functions. Before we actually do composition of functions, they're actually asking us to just do normal operations with functions. So functions can be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided to create new functions. So the question is asking us to do these operations. Another way of writing these are f of x plus g of x, f of x minus g of x, f of x times g of x, and f of x divided by g of x. So a lot of times people like to rewrite the question like that. But essentially what these are going to be doing, you're going to be taking the two functions and adding them, the two functions and subtracting them, the two functions and multiplying them, and then the two functions and dividing them. So that is our task with these. So I want to take the first function and write that as the first function in each of these. And then I'm going to take the second function and write that in each of these. So now I just need to combine like terms and simplify. So here, if you add these up, this is going to get you x plus 1, and that'll be your answer. Here, with the negative sign, we are going to have to distribute that, which means it's going to be minus 4 plus x. So you'll get 3x minus 7. With multiplying, this is going to be a FOIL problem. So it's going to be 8x minus 2x squared minus 12 plus 3x. And if I rewrite that and combine like terms, it's going to be negative x squared plus 11x minus 12. And then with the last one, we actually can't simplify this at all. If you want to rewrite it without parentheses, you can, but that is not necessary. So we've added our two functions, we've subtracted our two functions, we've multiplied them, and we've divided them.